Hello, this is Jelonko. I'm going to start the explanation of 305, my final project of 305. Let's start from ER model first. I have main entities which are members, admin, invoice, room, classes, trainer, equipment. Members has weak relationship with fitness score. It is one-on-one. It's one-on-one relationship because I set up the start date and end date in the fitness score. So in this time each members only can only can have the one fitness score in this time. That's why it has one-on-one relationship, and then the members has relationship with metric weak relationship with metric. It is one on n relationship because each members can have many different health metric records. The members also have relationship with invoice. It is one on n relationship because the invoice content could be various, such as sub subscription, subscribe, subscribe, and then classes, and some extra fee. Also, the members has one-on-m relationship with class enrollment. It is weak relationship. The class enrollment work connect between members and classes. It prevents the overusing storage, overuse wasted storage, waste 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 storage and waste storage and increase improve data efficiency as the third normalization form does. Because if I don't have the class enrollment, is the members between members and classes relationship would be M to N relationship, so I think it's gonna be mess. For trainer entity, it has weak relationship with trainer availability, and then trainer has relationship uh, between the relationship between trainer and trainer availability is one on M relationship, and trainer also has relationship with classes. It is one on M relationship. The admin entity manage invoice, room, equipment, and equipment log, so that the admin has relationship with invoice, room, equipment, and equipment log. The relationship between admin and equipment log is weak. It is one on M relationship, and the rest of relationship is also one on M relationship. The room has relationship between the room has relationship with classes. It is one on M relationship because only one room can have many different classes, but one class cannot have many different rooms. And then this is my the for the files the data the file structures in app. I have many various functions for for many various functions. The admin service has many different functions for admin side. Member service has many different functions. So for member side and trainer service has many different functions for trainer side. And every data model is in models folder. And this one that EMV is also also very important. Apps works as backend, and DB init has connect connection to the database from the code and then insert some sample data sets as well. So ad, from the admin the entity I'm using the ORM to get bonus point. So this is how the entity looks like. Admin entity has admin ID as primary key, and then admin information, and also it has relationship with equipment log, equipment invoice, and room manage. And to make the admin, it has to have admin ID, name, email, and password. It is class enrollment. It is class enrollment data entity. As I said, it has two different primary key, member ID and class ID. So are primary key, and it works as foreign key as well. It has enrollment dates, and also it has relationship with member and classes entity. The classes entity looks like this, and it has it has class ID as primary key and the trainer ID, room ID as foreign key. The class type figured out. It is personal training session or group training session, and the number of members indicate how many members registered in this class. The start time, end time, and start date. The start and it has relationship with room, and class enrollment. The, each class has 90 minutes for each class runs 90 minutes, so that the end time is fixed. It the the class entity or just need class ID, trainer ID, room ID, class type, and start time and number of members, because it the every class only runs 90 minutes. Equipment log has log ID as for primary key, admin ID, and equipment ID as foreign key, and then the information of the equipment log like issues, repair task, and when you create a log, and then when it's gonna be fixed. It has relationship with equipment and admin entity. It is equipment entity. It has equipment ID as primary key, admin ID as foreign key, equipment name and current status, and relationship with admin and equipment log. Fitness score also has fit, fitting call ID as primary key and member ID as foreign key. It has relationship only with members. It needs member ID, target type, target value, start date, end date, and is active. It is invoice entity. It has invoice ID, member ID, admin ID, and payment method, and invoice information. It is member entity. Member ID is the primary key, and then the member information and relationship is matrix between score, class enrollment, and invoice. It is metric entity, room entity. So every entity declared what is primary key and what is foreign key, and then the relationships with other entities. Let's start. Oh. So it is the database initiation file. As you can see, this connection connect to SQL, and it is all sample data. And the three different SQL features, which is view, triggers, and indexes. This one is for view. This one is view. This one is view. I create or replace the class summary for view. It it uses classes and trainer. It uses from classes and join with trainer, join with trainer, and then this is the choreo. This is SQL query to make the view class summary, and then it is for index, and it is for trigger. So when I have issue as when I have issue to an equipment, it automatically creates the equipment log, equipment log and to do something. So here is log. Here's the first. Here's the first screen, and then what I do in member functions, I did user registration, profile management, and dashboard, and class registration. So let's start registration first. As you can see, the sample data inserted everything. Then we're gonna make Jan. Gonna make Jane. If you just if you see this in here in SQL, Jane registered successfully, and login dashboard. I I just registered Jane in the SQL, so I don't have any classes. I don't have anything yet. And for code, it is here. So once I got email and password from the HTML, I joined the check. I searched the correct email address and password from to member member admin trainer data entities. If something is if something is success, then I gonna log in with my member ID and role as member. So if I change my information, as you can see, I change my gender and then phone number, and then register class. And then as you can see, just registered two different classes. This one and two. So I did this, did this. Okay. And then trainer. And then I got for to check trainer, I did set availability and schedule view. I'm gonna use pop. As you can see, the Bob's trainer ID is 101 and classes. The Jumper dance, the class ID 1 has trainer ID 101, so which is Bob and Jumba dance. So I can see the upcoming schedule, and then I'm gonna create my availability. So as you can see, I just create set my availability, which start from December 2nd, 2026, December 2nd, 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. So, and then to make time conflict, yeah, I tried to make time conflict same date, and from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. I already have the schedule at the same day from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. So it makes time conflict. so that it doesn't it is not stored in SQL. To check this one, this code is for to detect the time conflict. It is only work for the same trainer ID. So for example, Anna and Bob can work together. Anna and Bob can work together, but Bob cannot have any time conflicts. And this is admin dashboard. For admin functions, I did room booking and class management. And for assign room for sessions or classes, I put I put in the functions in the define new classes. So and then let's see, make room first. So as you can see, I just create the second room, and then let's see. Here, because I tried to make to check prevent double booking. I gonna make this. I gonna make the double booking at the same day for with Zumba dance. 2026, 28, 6 p.m. So as you can see, I cannot create class because of double booking at the same room. If I do, and I can, as you can see, I can create the room. I can create the class, and then also assign room as well. And then to change information, as you can see, I can modify the class information, and also in here change it. The room ID change it to, and then the date was changed it to as well. For code, the code is almost same like the code is almost same with admin member and trainer. It is for registering trainer, get trainer ID, and it is for the it is for the dashboard. It is for the dashboard. This function is for dashboard. It has if the class ID is same with the input, then the class whatever class whatever class whatever class whatever the trainers class will come up in the whatever if the if every if the class is in the future, then it's gonna be come up. And also availability slots, and it is check time conflict. As I said, Bob and Anna can work in the same time, but it is only check the time conflict in in the same in the same in the same trainer. For example, Anna Anna already registered from 1 to 9 tomorrow, but Anna cannot register again 2 to 7 tomorrow. For that, you you can update the trainer availability, and then you can view the trainer schedule and check trainer. It is for the when you log in as trainer, then you're gonna use this one. And also it is for register member. Yes, query the member ID is created automatically in here. And session dot add is going to add this information in the SQL is SQL entity. Of course, and it is for the login, and then it is it is create it is create the health metric. It is update the health goal, get member dashboard, active goals metric. The last is metric. Only it it display only five of the health metrics, so that people can see it is getting better or not. And then it is enrollment classes. Error check for it is like if you are not member in the if you are not in the because in member ID we're gonna search the member it it is the correct member or not in the member database in the member entity, and then also class ID as the class is registered or not or not. And is and this is check the if member is already enrolled or not, and the and it is for and it is for the count. It is for counting. It's like the number of members in the class is greater than room's capacity or not. Here, so that every enrollment, and it is for cancel the class enrollment, self profile. So then once so then once the user log in their account, they can see the upcoming classes and date and who is the trainer, and then also can see the billing status, classes has metrics, active 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 fitting scores, which is now it is my current fitting scores. The target value is how target value date due date. So that everything users can do, every pretty much can check every information in the dashboard, and then also can 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 get whatever they want in here. If you is full, then it is full. Thank you so much.